The future is transparent. The future is informed. Find your shadow. Find your alpha.
Transparent intelligence for a transparent world. True economic intelligence is shared intelligence. Educating the future generation of alchemists.
Growing together. Mind and machine in symbiosis. The new rules of the game. Written by everyone. Expansion without the dark. Integrity to the stars. The final goal for a fair market.
Equality in intelligence achieved.
Biophilic intelligence. An economy that serves life. Universal prosperity is finally within reach.
Seeing clearly. No more ghosts in the machine.
Technology with a pulse. Intelligence with a soul. Humanity first. Collective wisdom. The power of a united network. Shared success. The tide that lifts all boats. Protecting the vulnerable with the power of the unseen. Market peace. The end of the shadow war.
Deep security. Integrity at the atomic level.
The ghost is gone. No more invisible hand stealing your alpha. The new dawn of intelligence. Bright and pure. Join the movement. Find your shadow. Find your alpha. The motto for a new age of prosperity.
Stay sharp. Stay Sentinel.
The world of TradingMaster AI.
TradingMaster AI. Unmask the ghost.